We are at the part 2 of chapter number 4, Internet, the disadvantages of Internet. In para 5, it had shown that Internet is a powerful giant. It has so many plus points advantages as a coin has two sides. Here also we can able to see so many disadvantages of internet as internet is huge power, it's uncontrolled and it can harm the users. It is up to user that how they use the internet. The biggest threat of internet is pornography. The most important one word for the exam pornography, the obscene video, drawing, writing materials, and photographs that is called pornography. The indiscriminate means cannot able to judge, cannot able to find out the difference. So here the pornographical sites are flooding and that is harmful, especially the teenagers and young mind. So many scandals are there, so many scams are there. These all are called the cybercrime. Internet chatting is one of the very important and constructive tool. But with the help of the chat, with the help of the internet, people used to disguise themselves and they play the role which they cannot play in real life. We do have the unknown friends in social networking sites. We unconsciously make them friend and they may steal our personal informations and they may put us in dangerous situation. Continuous use of internet and maximum use of chatting may make you the chat addict. The person is having the addiction addicted towards any activity or any substance that is called the person. That person is called the addict. The criminal or the unknown person, they can be the hackers mafia and they can trap you in the particular sites and app and they may financially and emotionally exploit you, harass you with the help of the very important tool internet chatting. You are free for chatting before you stop being cheated. This is the most important question for 2 marks in GTU. In para 7, they talk about the lottery mail. Email is very revolutionary means of communication, but it is also the instrument of deceit. In your folder, in your mailbox, even in your message box, these kind of lottery mails might be there. They will attract you, tempt you by millions of dollars. In this good looking, genuine looking mail, they may say that we are from International Lottery Group and your number, your mail account is the lucky winner of millions of dollars. They may extract your banking or credit or debit information for the pretext to transfer the lottery amount into your account. For the temptation of millions of dollars, you give your bank account detail or credit or debit card detail and they may rob your thousands of by temptation of millions of dollars. And that is why the proverb is correct, money attracts money. This is the example I have taken from the website about the lottery mail. This kind of mail may give you the temptation of millions of dollars. So fake account details. Paragraph number 8 is talking about the terrorism. Internet can be used by anyone. It can be terrorist, it can be non-terrorist. It can be criminal, it can be police, it can be the person like me and you. Most of the community sites and information in your account you yourself is providing, and they can be misused by criminals or terrorists. The information which you provide in your own Facebook or Kut account, that can be stolen by hackers and that can be used later by the criminals. So never disclose the important information on the internet, like your home address, your mobile number, your bank details, your credit debit card account details, your business dealing, and the other detailed information about your family members and the yourself. The paragraph number 9 is important for exam. It talks about the cyber crime. The crime that happen with the help of the internet is called cyber crime. Cyber crimes are hacking of important data, bank account data, credit card data, online trading related crimes, hacking of email account, stealing sensitive informations or manipulating top secret data or the data of national security. All these are coming under the title cyber crimes. The another important question is RSI, that is called repetitive stress injury, with R capital, S capital, I capital. The world of internet may be in PC, in your mobile, that is called the virtual world, the world which is not real. This particular world, virtual world, may sometimes allow you to forget the real world. You may have the physical and mental stress due to the excess use of internet. Sometimes you may be unsocial, unhealthy due to the maximum use of internet. How the person became unsocial with the use of internet? Sometimes you forget and ignore your family members, make a person think that virtual world is real world, but fact is that real world is more important than the virtual world. Internet is very powerful tool, it must be used appropriately. These are some questions and MCQs important for exam. Like dash can harm teenagers and young mind for disadvantages, and that is pornography. A chat addict is a person who chats. That answer is often. Your personal information may put you in danger. So the MCQs, some question answers for 2 marks, like cybercrime, like cheating while chatting, RSI, and the biggest threat of internet, which is pornography. Pornography word is also important for 1 mark, for 1 word, for like options, writing, drawing, photographs and video, and the answer is pornography. 3 marks short notes can be like precautions while using social networking sites, cybercrimes, and the most important question, that is disadvantages of internet. So thank you for listening the disadvantages of internet. Next time when we meet, we will meet with another new topic. Good day to all of you. Thank you.